Hi there. So today we're going to talk about lists. We're going to look at the concept of lists, what they are, what they're for. We'll look at things we can do with lists. So a list is what you'd expect. It's just a sequence of items, and we'll see what we can do with them. We can sort those items. We can reverse the order of them. We can get rid of them all. We can add things to the end of the list of items, insert things in the middle of the list, and so on. So lots of methods that we can use for modifying our lists. And then we'll see some other methods that can work with lists. So things that we've seen already maybe, like length. Those will tell us certain information about our lists. And then we'll talk about how we can get slices of the list, so bits of the list, or how we get particular items in the list. And the motivation, as we saw in the last lecture, lots of programs use loops to repeat the same operation over and over again. And we saw game, for example, might update the position, or we didn't see them. These are examples I gave you. A game might update the positions of all the characters many times per second. Cashpoint repeatedly takes customers through the same sequence of operations. And each time you go around the loop, you're likely to be dealing with different data. So a different character maybe, or a different bank account. And lists are a way of storing multiple values in a single variable. So you might have a list. Think about those two examples. You might have a list of characters. You might have a list of bank accounts, maybe drawn from a database or something. If you've done any other programming, you may have come across things called arrays. Lists are Python's variant of arrays. There are things called arrays in Python, but they're not nearly as common as lists. So lists are really fundamental data structure that we can use for storing lots of values, usually of the same type. Okay, I'm going to stop the video there, and then we'll actually see some examples.